Hello guys, this is Shubhadik. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about how to create a new app in Qlik. This is the second part. So here you can see when you open this Qlik desktop, so this type of window will come. Okay. From here you can click on this one, create a new app. Okay. Give it a name. I'm giving just app. Okay, and create it. So here you can see. Okay, so here you can do ascending and or descending order. When there will be a multiple apps are there, you can do ascending or descending order, name wise, description wise, and when the data is reloaded. Okay, date and time wise. Okay, so same thing you can do. Here you can see in web, go to this one, localhost hub my work. Okay, when you go to this link, so this window will come. Okay, so here you can see this is already created. So I created in desktop, this one is reflecting here. Okay, so click on this. So here you can see you can add data from files and any other sources, and it is for data loading. So here you can see, so this is the app name. Okay, so click on this one, and here you can see you can do all those things. So I just want to rename this one. Okay, so what I have to do, click on this, and here you can see in this three dot I have to click on this one, edit details. So if I want to rename this one, I can rename, I can give a description, and I can give a image, okay, of my app. So if I click on this one, here you can see these are the default one. Okay, default by Qlik. So from where it is coming, so it is coming from, if I go to my documents folder, by default it will be there in documents, Qlik, sense, then content. Go to content and default. Here you can see by default these images are there. Okay, but if I want to get an image of my own, so what I can do, I can go to downloads. I have an image, I just copy it and paste it in my sense, then content, default. So I can paste it here. So here you can see new image is added here. So if I go and click here, then I can see the image. I am clicking here and insert, and done. After that I have to save it. Okay, I have to save it. So when I save it, just refresh once. Okay, and if I go to Qlik hub and refresh it again, so here you can see this image is generated. But another thing, these are the apps are there, right? Okay, and if I right click on this one, here you can see open without data and delete. Okay, so what does it mean, open without data? So open without data, it will if I click on this one, it will I will be getting into the app, but there will be no data. All visualization will be seen, but there will be no data. So what is why it is useful? Because so if such cases, like there are very big models, too many file size is too big. Okay, and it takes lot of time to load the data. but I want to see quickly how is my dashboard. So when I click this one, open without data, so it will show me the visualizations but without the data. And so it is necessary sometimes. Okay. Yeah. And another thing is delete. So what if I delete this one? It is very critical. Like if I delete this one, all the data, anything here, okay, in my modeling, anything in my app, everything will be deleted. So thing is, we should always keep an backup file. Okay, backup file means just copy and paste the qbf file. Okay, copy and paste qbf file, it will be a backup, and you can store it anywhere in your Google Drive, okay, OneDrive, etc. Okay, this is the thing. So I think you like my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you very much.